Hello! Good afternoon! Happy Friday! Good Friday ngayon pala! Late na. Anong oras na? Nakatapos ko lang maligo. Uy! 1:46 na ng hapon! Late kami bumangon ni Dan kanina. Maaga kami nagising pero late kami bumangon. Ito kakainin ko na to kasi nilabas ko to from freezer maybe the other day. Kasi kakainin ko sana siya kahapon kaya lang. Hindi ko siya nakain because I had ensaymada for lunch instead. Ilagay ko lang siya dito. Tapos ilalagay ko na lahat ng sauce na natira. Tapos ilalagay ko siya sa oven, guys. Ulo lang to ng lobster. Kasi Dan, kumain na yung amoy na amoy ko yung lunch niya. Tuna. Ito yung natirang sauce. Ayan. I'll just pour it all over. Holiday pala ngayon, kaya walang open na mga shops dito. Kasi bibili sana ako ng chicken. Meron sana akong gustong lutuin. Yung buong chicken talaga. Eh, wala eh. So, baka mapapapork na naman ako mamaya. Nag-pork ako kahapon eh. Lagay na natin to. Ready na yung oven. I-put away lang natin tong mga to. Habang hinihintay natin na ma-ready yung ating lobster. Tingnan nyo yung mga glass. Ano siya? Sobrang makintab siya. Kapag may dishwasher kayo, guys, yung kintab-kintab. Yan. Kung may dishwasher kayo, gamit kayo ng ganito, oh. Yung brand na nagamit ko is Finish. Yung isa, blue. Ito parang, yeah, bagong formula ata kasi may new. Tinry ko lang siya kasi nakasale siya. Pero, ano siya, rinse aid, yung tawag sa kanya. Nilalagay siya dyan. Yan. Pero nakakatulong talaga siya sa mga glass. Kasi makintab talaga yung mga glass.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Ayan. Sizzling pa siya, oh. Pinatagal ko siya dun pero in-adjust ko yung temperature sa mahina kasi nagluto ako ng rice. Pero yeah, kain tayo. Alright, let's eat. Kain tayo, guys. Ito yung ating lobster. Init eh. Init din ang aking rice. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is gonna be real good. Kain tayo. Feeling ko magsusyomay ako ngayon. Nag-ano ako kahapon eh, nag-pork ako eh. Nawala sa isip ko na holiday pala ngayon. Good Friday. Kapag holiday, wala talagang open ng mga shops. Kasi plano ko sana mag-chicken. Okay, init pala. So mag-ano na lang ako. Magsusyomay. Kasi kompleto na yung recados ko para sa siomay lu. Hello, sana naman enough tong meat nito. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay. Kain lang ako ha. Medyo sumasakit na naman yung aking ulo. Konti lang. Ito yung leftover namin ni Dan ha. Nung nag-ano kami. Dinner kami. Nung anniversary dinner namin. Dessert! Cassava cake. Galing Azon's Kitchen. Pero nabili na ni Dan to sa Rosewater Asian Shop. Ayan. Busog na ako eh. Kaya lang, kung hindi ko to kakainin, mauubos to ni Dan, kakatikim niya. Yung dyan na part kay Dan yan eh. Pero yeah, kain tayo. Guys, alis tayo. Maglalakad daw kami ni Danny Boy. Tingnan nyo siya nakasinglet. Pero ako sabi niya, dapat mag-jacket ka kasi lalamigin ka. Wala akong pang workout na outfit. Kasi pinak ko na. So, leggings, wale. Meron lang ako yung normal lang na leggings na ginagamit ko lagi. Pero yung pang workout na leggings, wala. Yung mga pang-workout ko na top, wala din. Pinak ko din. Di na ako nag-isip nung nag-go through ako ng mga damit ko. Walang tinira. Ni socks, wala akong natira sa akin. Para talagang tanga din. Pati socks, hindi ko inano. So, buti na lang si Dan may mga maliliit na socks. Dito na naman kami. We're here again.
This is our house. No,
Nah.
not really.
Hindi pa nasisimulan yung amin eh. Pero ito oh, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo noon na skeleton. As in, malapit na talaga siya. Good job, house. Nakaka-excite naman to. Sana ma-approve yung amin, guys. Dito, wala na. May nakatira na dito. Tapos ito oh, nagsisimula na sila. Concrete na yung ano nila. Ay, kawala. Natutulog. Sleeping.
Yeah,
There you go.
that's what you like when you look like when you're sleeping, Jess.
Naglalakad lang kami. Dito sa parang walking trail. Pabalik na kami, guys. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. Pero naghahanap kami ng mga koala sa mga trees. Wala. Isa lang yung nakita namin ngayon.
There you go, one right up there.
Where?
Right
Oh,
at the
there. There, guys. I can see your butt. Not sure if you guys can see. Where is the parrot? Son. There you go. Hey. Hey, parrot.
I saw one today, a big one, on a guy's shoulder. He walked past our house and he had it chained up. Had one on the shoulder, it was a big one. I'm serious.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Can he do that?
Yeah, I guess.
Hmm.
It was probably a pet. It was a pet, so it's
Okay.
good, I guess. Yeah, a big one on his shoulder, walked past and it was just chained to him.
And we're home. Naglakad kami ng mga 2 oras. Lakad lang, chill-chill lang na lakad ba. So, umabot kami ng 2 oras. Pero, we're home. Hala, ilabas ko na yung ano. Feeling ko yung dumpling wrapper ko is malaki. So, liliitan ko to. Tsaka, prize. Asan yung dumpling wrapper? Hindi ko pa talaga nagagawa yung tinula. Ayun. It's not dumpling wrapper. It's just... Babe, this is not a dumpling wrapper. This is spring roll wrapper. Spring roll wrapper man to, guys. Hindi man to dumpling wrapper. Spring roll. Oh, mali silang pagbili. Sus. Nilabas ko na pa yung ano, pork. Oh. Nilabas ko na yung pork. Ano na siya? Na-thaw na siya. Iahap eh. Wala pa namang open. Where are we going?
We're getting stuff for our spring rolls.
Not spring roll.
You don't spring rolls anymore? What do you want, my love? Whatever you want, we'll go get it.
So, papunta kami sa IGA. Di ba sabi niya kanina wala na open? Meron pala. Nung nainis na ako, meron palang open eh. So, punta kami doon. I don't think they will have it.
Highly unlikely.
Highly unlikely.
Highly unlikely.
Highly
Like,
unlikely.
everything they got there, do you reckon they're really going to have dumpling wrappers? Seriously? Like,
Ay, nako eh. Hanap kami. Huh? Oh, chicken. See, we can get that instead. If we can't find the dumpling wrapper. Sabi niya kanina walang open. Tapos ngayon meron pala. Wala, guys. Nagpunta na kami sa freezer area. Wala din. Tanong kaya tayo. So what are we doing instead, my love? Did we find the dumpling wrapper?
no dumpling wrapper.
Walang dumpling
I
wrapper.
was never going to eat dumpling wrappers at IGA. Seriously, that was just...
Walang dumpling wrapper. So what are we gonna make instead?
Chocolate biscuits. We're copying Sissy's idea.
Chocolate crinkles! Meron silang cocoa
Thank you,
powder.
Sissy, for the idea.
Meron silang cocoa powder. So we got vegetable oil as well. What is that, babe? Why are you hiding it?
Trying to open up my lollipop.
Mamili ka ng mga lollipop. Tatlo yung akin, isa lang yung kay Don. We got vanilla extract as well. Yung meron ako dun, vanilla essence, tos konti na lang natira. So, I got the right one this time, vanilla extract. And I got baking powder. Because what I have now is baking soda and I don't think they're the same. Yeah, they're not the same. So...
Oh my god.
What?
We're gonna clean the house
Oh
tonight.
my gosh.
We're gonna do it.
I don't wanna do it.
I'll do most of it, don't worry. We're gonna sell the so we gotta do it.
May titingin ng bahay bukas. Akala namin wala kasi holiday.
Oh well. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Okay, we'll just do it.
How about the baking?
You do the baking, I'll do the cleaning.
That's a good deal.
Yeah.
But
Alright.
the baking's gonna be messy though.
That's alright. We'll clean the kitchen last.
Okay.
Can you do the floors for me tonight though?
Okay.
You have to do most of it really.
Yeah.
I'll do the kitchen, you do the floors. We got the washing. It's a lot of bloody washing.
Nah, we will not wash tonight. We will wash tomorrow after they check the house. If I wash all these tonight...
No, we're not washing tonight. No, we're not
Yeah,
washing.
we're not washing. So we will just put our bulingon in the car again. Our dirty clothes in the car.
That's a bloody lot of clothes we got there.
Yeah. Well, what can you do? What do you want to do with it?
Okay.
Throw it away?
We're gonna be cleaning
It's
all tonight.
most your stuff anyway. Because you keep on going out.
Alright.
Ang dami naming labahin. Hindi namin nilabhan. Sabi ko bukas na lang kasi wala titingin. Bukas holiday meron. Okay?
What's the weather gonna be like tomorrow for Tommy?
Yeah.
Chaka.
Tsaka weather tomorrow?
It stopped raining, but it's gonna be raining all tonight.
Okay, 12:45. Alright. What can we do? That's alright. Okay, well, I don't want to think about it because it's just gonna stress me out. But
Okay.
we will help each other out. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're home. Nakabihis na ako and ready na ako mag-bake. So, nag-take away na lang kami ni Dan ng food for dinner. And we will make chocolate crinkles for dessert. Itong si Miss talaga panira eh. Sa kanya ko nakita yung siomai, tapos sa kanya ko din nakita yung chocolate crinkles. Pero hindi ko naman inisip yung chocolate crinkles na gagawin ko siya. Pero nagpunta kami dun sa shop kanina, walang dumpling. Tapos sabi niya, ano gusto mo? Konsensya siya kasi namali siya. Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Mag-bake tayo? Ganun siya. Paglutuin kita ng pasta. Sabi na. Tapos tumingin kami dun sa baking aisle. Tapos may nakita akong brownie. Sabi ko, wala brownie. Tapos sumahin siya, chocolate crinkles. So, mag-chocolate crinkles tayo. Buti na lang merong cocoa powder. Unsweetened. Yung babasihan ko is simplyrecipes.com ha. I-leave ko yung link na to, yung recipe dito sa description box. White sugar, 4 eggs, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, at saka icing sugar or powdered sugar. Powdered sugar, icing sugar. Tama, di ba? Yeah, soft icing mixture. Yeah, sugar yan, di ba? So, yung unang gagawin is i-mix together yung cocoa powder, sugar, at saka vegetable oil. Pwede kang mag-hand mixer kung meron kang paddle na attachment. Wala akong paddle na attachment, so I'm just gonna do it by hand using a wooden spoon. Alright, so 1 cup nitong cocoa powder. Ang dami siguro ni... Uy! So, ang nilagay dito is 1.5 cups white granulated sugar. Ayoko ng 1.5 cups kasi I think that's gonna be too sweet. Ang dami ng 1.5 ha? Oh my gosh, ang dami na niyan. Okay, uy, sugar galore. And then 1/2 cup ng vegetable oil. Perfect.
Post office is gonna be closed tomorrow.
Post office will be closed? That's okay. Kailangan lang tong i-mix. There you go. My love. I'm a wifey and I'm a baker. And I'm a cook as well.
Just my finger in there.
No. Duguru.
The battery's gonna get flat.
So what consistency are we after? Or are we just mixing this like this? Okay, until it comes together into a shiny, gritty, black dough of sorts. Huh?
Shiny, gritty. Is that shiny and gritty, my
It's
love?
shiny and it is gritty, yeah.
Okay, so that's it?
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, so that's shiny and gritty, guys. There you go.
Good job.
Thank you. Add eggs one at a time. So 4 large eggs daw. Oh no, don't. Dynamite.
Don't lick your fingers.
Hmm?
No.
Lick my fingers.
Yeah, so put it in there. I'll take the rubbish out. Watch.
Wait. One at a time. We can use
Don't want
it.
to stir that while you do this.
Huh? Okay. You don't have to stir it that way. Babe, can you behave, please?
Hey, that was good stirring. All good?
Yep.
I could just eat this like this.
That's gross.
Are you serious? That's gross? This is yummy.
That's raw egg.
No, it's chocolate. No eggshell.
No way. I remember, nung sa Pilipinas pa, bumibili ako ng chocolate crinkles sa Julie's Bake Shop. Pero ang dami ng bake shop
They don't
ngayon.
sell it at Julie's.
Well, not anymore.
No, told you.
Not anymore. Well, maybe they do, you just haven't seen it.
What's better, Australian bakeries or Filipino bakeries?
Filipino bakeries.
Australian bakeries are way better.
Like, what's in your bakery? Just
Pies, pasties,
Just pies, that's it.
cream cakes, custard tarts, donuts, the best.
Add the eggs one at a time, mixing for 30 seconds each. I don't think
Oh no, I've been doing that.
Okay.
I've done a pretty good job.
Add the vanilla and beat in thoroughly. Vanilla, 2 teaspoons. Okay. I haven't added the vanilla yet.
That's all right.
Ready? 2 teaspoons. Wow, that's very extra-key.
Wow.
Nasanay ako sa vanilla essence na hindi ganito ka-thick.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay. And then beat in thoroughly. So guys, on a separate bowl, mix in 2 cups of flour. Ang dami pala nito no? Kasi 2 cups flour. 1, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt.
I'll do.
There you go. Whisk this together. Meron ding option na mag-add ka ng espresso powder pero wala kami ng espresso powder. Combine this together slowly here.
Then stir it. I'll stir it a bit now.
Beat it. It says beat it. And it says don't overbeat it. Wait, this is my first time making this pala, ha? Is it? Have I made this before?
Not sure. Sissy's turned out really good though, so you can't. I bet it was Sissy's first time. Is Sissy a better cook than you?
No, it was her second time.
Hmm.
I think. Si Dan na yung nag-take over kasi matigas, guys.
Bloody hard.
Sakit sa braso pala nito. Kailangan lang naman siyang i-mix. Do not overbeat.
You can't even beat it at all. How hard it is.
Kaya mo yan, babe. If Sissy can do it, you should be able to do it as well.
Sissy's stronger than me.
Oh gosh, daddy boy. Good job.
It's pretty much it. I'm not worried about the white parts at all.
Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Gagawin is, ilalagay siya sa fridge ng 4 na oras hanggang overnight daw. Pero, I'm not sure kung aabot siya ng 4 na oras. Pero maglilinis na kami ni Dan ng bahay. And then, babalikan namin siya. It's now 6:34. Okay, guys, nakalinis na kami. Tatapusin na natin tong ating chocolate crinkles. Wait, maglagay muna ako ng powdered sugar dito, ha? Is icing sugar the same as powdered sugar?
No.
Is it not?
Not that I don't think it is.
Right? Same ba yun, guys?
We'll find out.
So we will roll this into an inch, 1 inch. Is it 1 inch?
Oh, I'll watch it. How big's an inch?
This big?
Yeah, about that.
Is that 1 inch?
Did you put into a ball?
Not really, not necessarily a bowl. It will flatten itself out. Like maybe this big. Whoa. Sige na. That's all I. You know what? You do that, I'll do this.
I reckon you're gonna need 2 trays.
That's okay. I can use the other one. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. This is right. This icing mixture is powdered sugar. Powdered sugar ba yan?
Do you want them like that, like a disc? What sort of
No
shape?
shape necessary.
It has to be a shape.
No. It will
A
shape
square?
itself.
Do a square?
Too big again.
What do you mean too big? I reckon that's the right size. He says it's got to be an inch. That's an inch.
Is that an inch?
That's an inch.
Okay.
I'm going by what you said, an inch. I'll make sure I get it perfect. What are they?
No. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Do you want it thick?
No, not thick.
That size?
Yeah.
Well, that's not an inch.
What's that?
That's 2 centimeters. How many centimeters are in an inch? How many centimeters are in an inch?
6.
Fucking not 6.
How many?
2.5.
There you go. That's fine. 2.5. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be heaps.
I said it's gonna be heaps. You're gonna need 2 trays.
Yeah, that's fine. We have 2. Yung dito na area, like bali half ng kitchen, hindi ko pa tinapos yung floor kasi alam ko na gagawa namin to.
We should have a bakery together. Why not?
The bakery will go bankrupt right away.
You need it into what sort of shape? You haven't told me.
No shape!
It has to be a shape.
No shape!
It has to be. It has to be a shape.
No shape!
That big?
Azulay.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit.
Last one?
The last one, just go with this one, whatever it is. Don't complain, just do it.
Alright, we're finished. Meron tayong 2 trays. So yung oven natin, una yan, 175 degrees Celsius. It says 10 to 13 minutes. There you go, guys. Hey Google, set timer for 10 minutes.
Nope.
Hey Google, volume 50%. Thank you, Google. Tumutunog na siya, guys. 10 minutes na. Tingnan natin. Ang bango na! Oh!
Well, that looked good.
Ooh!
Did I make those?
Bakit iba yung itsura sa Julie's? I think they're too big. I think you have to wait a couple more minutes.
I think I'll let them go for a little longer.
How many minutes do you think? No, not 4. I think it's good if it's a bit moist in the inside anyway.
Okay.
So maybe 2 more minutes.
Hey Google, set timer for 2 minutes.
Done 2 minutes, added to your 10-minute timer.
Thank you.
Guys, we baked it for a total of 12 minutes kasi malalaki siya. We will just add more sugar. Wait ha. Kasi ano na siya nag-expand siya so...
Sometimes in life, babe, less is more.
You know what? I think that's it. I don't think you're supposed to add more. That looks perfect. Oh.
Exactly the best looking one.
Yeah, see?
That's alright.
I'll just add
a little bit on those ones there.
this.
I think you might have overdone.
Yeah, I think I have actually. But I think they're alright. They're fine.
No, I think you've done a good job. I don't think you need to do the other sprinkles here.
Yeah,
But
I don't think you have to.
that's alright.
I don't think that was necessary.
I don't think it was necessary either.
But that's okay.
I think you did something really crazy then.
Ito na siya, guys. Yung nasa pinakaitaas, yung pinakamaganda tingnan. Alright, try it, babe. While it's still a bit hot. Maybe try the one at the bottom, the chaka one.
Oh, no, right there.
Is it sweet?
Not really. It's a biscuit.
It's not a biscuit.
What is it meant to be?
Like a cookie?
Cookie?
I don't know. It's more of like a cookie than a biscuit.
Doesn't have a cookie texture.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is a biscuit texture?
It's like a cake / cookie texture.
Okay, there you go. Where's the biscuit? So it's moist in the inside.
Yeah, it's moist. You'd be like, oh, I like that. But you like it. You like bland stuff.
I don't mind it. But it's supposed to be sweeter than this. So instead of under 1 cup, make it 1 cup, guys. If you don't like it sweet. But if you like it sweet, like sweet.
Did you do less than the instructions?
Yeah.
Ah.
Babe, it's asking for 1.5 cups of sugar.
I'll put 1.5 cups of sugar in.
No, I put less than half.
Oh,
less
no
than a
wonder.
cup.
No wonder. Fail.
It's not a fail.
Always
it's
follow the
fine.
recipe. Why did you do that?
Well, I don't want it too sweet. You know what?
What do you think of the size of them? Are they the right size at least?
Too big.
Are they the right size?
No, too big.
Too big.
The one that I remember from the bake shop is sweeter than this.
Oh yeah, they would probably follow the directions. They probably use
Just a tad bit sweeter.
Yeah, you gotta use.
But they're not supposed to be that sweet. If I followed 1.5 cups, it's gonna be way too sweet.
I reckon nah.
No, way too sweet.
Nah, it would have been perfect. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you bookers. That's right?
I don't say bukas anymore.
You should say bookers.
Nah.
Nah. Alright, see you guys.
Be good.
Bye guys.
Bye. Mwah.